What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Funko Pop Ohana video. So today I have a good one for you guys today. Today we will be unboxing and reviewing this. So this here is a Oro irrigator. So yes, it helps you to clean. So we're gonna take it out and review it. But we're gonna go out. You know the instruction. How do you unlock this? Oh, you need to plug it in. Okay. I think I got a plug in the bathroom. Oh, so this is how it looks like, guys. Interesting. So I guess this is the thing to hook it up to. This is, oh yeah, this comes apart. Okay. And then you got this top thing. I guess you can do this. And are these reusable? That is the question. Oh, there's many of the things that you can use on here. Alright. The toothbrush of it. Oh. I guess they gave me another one of this. But I think they're oh yeah, and these two looks different. Show you guys this. What each one is used for. So this one is to 360 clean. Alright guys, so we got it on here. And now to turn it on. Oh, that is funny. Alright, so this time we're going to try this one. Let's see how it goes, okay? Does it work? I don't know, it's bleeding though. Let me see. This is the last one, I think. Review on these, it's pretty good. I had to take like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below what was your favorite one. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later and see you next time. Love you.